Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your public library. First, visit your local branch with a valid ID to get your free library card. This card is your key to a world of resources. Next, explore the library's website. It's a treasure trove for digital content and upcoming events. Finally, familiarize yourself with borrowing limits, which are typically around 20 items at a time, ensuring you can enjoy a wide selection. Your public library offers much more than just physical books. You can use their free Wi-Fi, computers, and even printing services for your personal or work needs. They also have a fantastic collection of movies, music, and audiobooks available for borrowing. Don't forget to check out their calendar for free workshops, engaging book clubs, and various community events that cater to all ages and interests. One of the most convenient aspects of your library membership is access to digital resources from home. You can easily download ebooks and audiobooks directly to your phone or tablet, perfect for reading on the go. Many libraries also offer streaming services for movies and music. Plus, you'll find a wealth of research databases, invaluable for school projects, professional development, or simply satisfying your curiosity. To truly maximize your library membership, remember to reserve popular items online. You'll get a notification when they're ready for pickup. If your local branch doesn't have a specific item, inquire about interlibrary loan, which allows you to borrow from other libraries. Also, for a great way to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link for that, along with other deals, in the description below. Your library is a powerful resource, so use it often.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.